风气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们加入客家风情，一起发现客家之美。
啲寒天假使食一碗小碌碌嘅湯，唔但搶本身體小暖，也可以人間好美食。行年把成色散，要適當貴，適得時嘅就好趕。
Hakka people follow the philosophy of eating with the seasons, and in winter, hearty soups with seasonal ingredients that warm the body and soul are a cherished tradition. And in winter, hearty soups with seasonal ingredients that warm the body and soul are a cherished tradition. Classics like braised pork ribs with radish use fresh winter radish, while black gold chicken soup features age-preserved radish known as Hakka Black Gold. Each region has its specialties. Hsinchu serves herbal jelly chicken soup, Southern Taiwan offers pork rib soup with pigeon peas, and Hualien enjoys peeled chili pepper chicken soup. Across Taiwan, Hakka families celebrate deep-rooted traditions with warming local soups perfect for the coldest days.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個呢個
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。剛剛聽你講說燒碌碌，
小碌碌嘅，
應該是
就是燒燙燙的，就熱騰騰的啦。
我們要來喝湯，對不對？
對呀，冬天就要喝熱熱的湯啊。
我跟你講，最有名的這客家湯應該是仙草雞湯。
對，仙草關西來的，關西種了很多的仙草。
沒錯，還有什麼湯可以介紹呢？
好，在四文四潮裡頭哈，有2道是用湯品哦，就是菜頭文排骨
哦，就是那個蘿蔔排骨湯。
對，另外一個就是鹹菜文豬肚
哦，客家一定要用的鹹菜跟豬肚。那這些都聽過，有沒有比較特別的湯？
特別的哈，哦，剛剛講的都鹹的，那我們來講一個比較甜一點的湯好了。有一個叫做吃餅給湯。
這邊不是柿餅嗎？
對啊，柿餅啊，
是吃的水果，
對，
甜甜的放在湯裡面。
沒錯，這柿餅上面會有那個白白的柿霜嘛，然後切片之後呢，放到雞湯裡頭去煮，你就發現那個雞湯帶了甜味。
哦，太好了，而且這很有這個客家的精神在裡面。
沒錯。南部有一道料理叫做酥貼味排骨湯啊，
我知道，這叫 pigeon peas， 原住民會用的一個食材。
它是原住民的料理，所以從這道料理裡頭就可以知道說，這個早期的客家先民跟那個原住民的關係還蠻好的，會借用他們的食材來豐富客家料理哦。
Yeah, well, let's teach you these phrases, how to name these dishes in Hakka, 包括菜頭文排骨。
菜頭文排骨。
菜頭文排骨, that's the braised pork ribs with radish. And then there is the herbal jelly chicken soup, 仙草雞湯。
鹹臭給湯。
鹹臭給湯。And finally, pigeon peas pork soup, 也就是素豆排骨湯。
酥貼味排骨湯。
酥貼味排骨湯。And there you have it. 來喝碗小碌碌嘅湯吧。
小碌碌嘅哦。
沒錯。Thank you so much for listening.
什麼睇㗎？
俺只是張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.